People ask me all the time, what is the best French drain system? Without a doubt, what I've been calling a French drain grid. When we go in a yard and we run, like you see here, we got several lines going one way, got a couple of lines going another. This is how you dry up your entire yard. Nothing dries up a yard better than a French drain grid. When I go back to these yards during the rainy season, and we did them a year, 2 years, 3 years ago, I cannot get over how in the middle of the rainy season, when everybody's yards are so saturated, you can barely walk in them, and they're like an asphalt parking lot. So if you are a DIY, I'm going to tell you, this is a lot of clay removal, and you're bringing in a lot of stone. This is probably more for the contractors. If the contractors have clients that want a nice tight yard for their kids to play and they want it done right, I really recommend the French drain grid. And this was 400 feet of French drain grid, and you can see just how long this discharge was, and didn't even matter. The way water moves through the voids in round stone, like I've been teaching you guys, it's just truly incredible. The water cannot hang around and saturate that yard, so the byproduct is a very firm yard. All right, everybody, until that next video.